Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And very good evening to everyone. So, how's everything going with you? Everyone?
How fast?
Okay, thank you so much. I am also doing great. And starting here, lot of words, sentences, phrases we are added today. And today I think some very hard word, arbitrage. Arbitrage. Taking advantage from the small price and selling the big price. Taking advantage, taking percentage. Both are the same pronouns last. Advantage, percentage. Advantage, percentage. So both we are the taking for here, advantage and percentage. And I'm going to say here, the critical thinking is the antidote to algorithmic bias. Not bias, bias. Here is the, what is this? The bias. Understand? The Shua sign bias. So, algorithmic bias. What is this? If you don't understand, here is the antidote to algorithmic bias. If you're not understanding, you cannot say clearly what is this. In this time, you know what is mean of the bias.
Yeah, I know.
So, what is this?
Bias is your mind that learn a thing that is mistake, but your subconscious mind thinking it's correct.
Yeah, exactly. That's the great answer. Bias, you are just hearing from someone, but it is the not correct. But your mind saying is the correct. Here is the algorithmic bias. What is this? ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Grok, different kinds of AI saying the same thing. But this is the wrong. This is the wrong. Today also some pronouns by else are completely wrong. So you don't believe to anyone, zero trust. You just prove and don't be biased. Don't be biased. Bias. Don't be biased. Why? I don't believe anything. I need research, deep dive and confirm. Then I will say this is the correct or incorrect. And here is the critical thinking is the antidote. What is this? Is the critical thinking. If you just think of the critically, it will be healing to your mind. How? This is the one kind of thing or medicine or power or thing that called the antidote. So here is the just one thing and completely different is this thing. You don't, here saying critical thinking is antidote. That means critical thinking. You are researching, you are deep diving. Why? Because to algorithmic bias. Don't feel bias. You do about the antidote thinking. Antidote, that means the true medicine, that power is converting to the right path, the correct path. Understand everyone? So critical thinking, what is the critical thinking?
I know, sir.
When I know, you know. I know, you know. What is this? And here, critical thinking is the antidote. So here is the Sajid and Rosa are saying about the lokto chokto, saying, I don't know. Lotka jhatka. I don't know about this name, but both are know about this, the antidote. What is the power? Everywhere, if you just mindfully and carefully hearing something and grasp, or deep diving, or taking something new, you will be getting the many things, already getting grasping, and embrace to something. So you are